Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are done with three of the Spawn figures na kinostomize natin. So from the left, ito si Medieval Spawn. Tapos sa gitna, si Omega Spawn. And sa right, we have the Ninja Spawn. So let's start with Medieval Spawn. So pangalawang production ko na to mga ma'am, sir. So mas mabilis na natin siya nagawa kasi second production na. So I used, to recap lang natin, black primer, steel dry brush, tapos skull detail, yung mga white na paint over the skulls, pati dito sa likod meron. Tapos gold detail, and then copper paint, and then silver paint, tapos blood effects, and then red cape, tapos yung leather brown na cloth dito sa kanyang hips. And then for the weapons, ganun din, meron mga blood effects. So dito naman meron akong tutorial na ginawa dito. Hindi na ako gumawa ng tutorial dito sa Medieval Spawn kasi nagawa ko na yung tutorial before. If you want to view it, you can search Medieval Spawn Ralph Cifra. And then for this, kaka-record ko lang din ng mga tutorials both for Omega Spawn and Ninja Spawn. Okay, edit na natin yan in a while. But for now, recap ko lang din. So black primer, steel dry brush, tapos many colors for a lot of blues, purples, pinks dito sa body para magkaroon ng different hues of colors around the body. Kahit dito sa kanyang legs, iba-iba rin ng hues ng purples and blues. Tapos in-emphasize ko yung kanyang hands with by painting white, yellow, and green. Yung green na ginamit ko dito, fluorescent green, kaya super vibrant nga. And then thank you very much Hero Paints for providing the paints for these custom repainted na mga figures. And then yung kanyang chain, it's a gold chain, tapos yung strap leather brown, and then dry brushed with earth tan. Okay, for the logo dito sa gitna, gumamit lang ako ng white, tapos dry brushing din yung paint technique natin. Dito, ang ginamit ko rito dati, yung first na pass ko, red. Tapos, first pass ng paint, red. Red cape talaga to. Pero sabi ni client, gusto niya na mas dark tone. So, nag-dry brush ulit ako na black over it. Okay, here's the back. Okay, and then we're done with Omega Spawn. And then yung last naman, ganun din yung process. Black primer, steel dry brush. Detail dito sa chest, sa head, and sa belt ng skull. Tapos leather brown, and then golds, and then after that stone blue. Tapos yung red dito sa kanyang cloth sa front and back. Tapos weapons, and then blood effects. Yan na yung Ninja Spawn natin. Okay, gumawa na rin ako ng tutorial tungkol dito. Meron na rin ako mga unboxing and review across our channels. Thank you very much. So that's it mga ma'am, sir. Thank you very much for watching. Nakatapos tayo ng 3 projects overall. Marami pa tayong projects na upcoming this year and next year, 2025. So yun, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.